Have you ever felt helpless watching your balcony garden slowly fade away because the soil was depleted, dry and lifeless? The pots that were once lush and green are now nothing but dry stems, reminding you of your struggles as a gardener. Every time you think about composting kitchen scraps, you're put off by the foul smell and the swarm of flies buzzing around a plastic bucket. The fear of neighbors complaining and your living space smelling bad can make a sustainable lifestyle feel out of reach. Leaking trash bags filled with dark liquid and strong odors have become a nightmare for many apartment dwellers today. You feel frustrated when your planting soil becomes hard as concrete with no signs of life left inside. But don't give up just yet. The answer isn't found in expensive plastic bins, but in something surprisingly simple. It's that old cardboard box you are about to throw away. A little miracle is waiting to be discovered. Start by choosing a sturdy cardboard box. It's not just waste, it's the beginning of a brand new life cycle. Carefully remove any tape from the outside. We're preparing a cozy home for countless tiny living creatures. Do you see those corrugated layers inside the cardboard? They're one of nature's best ventilation systems. The biggest mistake people make is composting in sealed plastic containers. Plastic traps moisture, suffocates the scraps, and creates unpleasant odors. Cardboard is different. It knows how to breathe. Its paper structure absorbs excess moisture, the main culprit behind bad smells. The constant airflow allows decomposition to happen gently, without the stink of rot. It works as both a container and a natural moisture regulator, keeping your balcony clean and dry. Once its job is done, the box itself breaks down into the soil without leaving behind a trace of plastic. This is a choice rooted in understanding. We're working with nature instead of fighting against it. Begin by reinforcing the box. Cut an extra piece of thick cardboard and place it on the bottom for added strength. The thicker base helps prevent any chance of liquid leaking onto the floor, protecting your living space. Next, add a layer of old soil or coconut coir about 2 inches thick. This is one of the most important foundation layers. This soil already contains native microorganisms, the silent workers that help break down organic waste. Add a few shredded toilet paper rolls as well. These paper pieces create tiny air pockets that improve airflow. The combination of soil and shredded paper creates the perfect aerobic environment and helps eliminate odors completely. Lightly mist the mixture with water. The right amount of moisture is essential for awakening microbial life. Your kitchen scraps are pure gold. Chop up banana peels and leftover vegetables into smaller pieces to increase the surface area for beneficial bacteria. Every piece you cut brings you one step closer to harvesting high-quality compost. Never forget the golden rule. For every layer of green material, add a layer of carbon-rich brown material. This layer of shredded paper locks in odors and prevents flies from finding the food underneath. Add a little beneficial fungi or microbial inoculant if you'd like to speed up this amazing transformation. Finally, cover everything with a piece of cardboard. Think of it as tucking Mother Earth in with a warm blanket. You'll notice the box getting warmer day by day. That's the breath of life and the energy of renewal at work. Now let time do what it does best. Patience is the secret ingredient behind nutrient-rich compost. After a few weeks, open the lid and you'll be amazed to see everything settling down and turning a rich dark brown. Give it a gentle stir occasionally to provide fresh oxygen. The cardboard fibers are gradually melting back into the earth naturally. The box itself is making the ultimate sacrifice, turning its carbon into food for future plants. Take a look. The bad smells are gone, replaced by the rich aroma of forest soil after a gentle rain. Everything you once considered waste has now become priceless black gold for your garden. After 6 weeks, the cardboard box has quietly completed its noble mission. Soft, fluffy, and full of nutrients, this is the reward for your patience and love of nature. Feed this compost to the plants that once struggled to survive. The soil will begin healing from deep within. As water moves through the rich humus, it carries new life to every cell of the plant, helping it thrive once again. And then the magic begins. Bright rosebuds start to bloom, signaling a fresh new beginning. Vibrant green seedlings emerge from the very kitchen scraps you once planned to throw away. Your garden is no longer a burden. It has become the most peaceful retreat in the middle of the city. The quiet rhythm of gardening brings healing to the soul after long and stressful days. You've created a small ecosystem where everything has value and nothing goes to waste. Even the cardboard box disappears, leaving its wealth behind for the soil. It's a beautiful and perfect cycle of nature. Composting with cardboard isn't just about saving money. It's a way of giving back to the earth through simple, everyday actions. Teach the next generation to love the soil and plants, starting with the old cardboard boxes around your home. Life will always find a way back when we learn to open our hearts and understand nature's rhythms. You can continue this process endlessly, turning waste into a renewable resource of your own. Write down the day you begin and watch the transformation unfold as a lesson in patience. Fragrant mint leaves and fresh basil stems all grow from dedication and a humble cardboard box. Every cardboard box you save is a promise toward a greener and more sustainable future. Don't throw away cardboard boxes. Turn them into nutrient factories right on your balcony. Apartment living doesn't have to feel disconnected from nature when you bring the spirit of the soil into your home. You'll find a sense of peace as you watch the results of your own care and effort. Let your balcony become proof that people and nature can live together in harmony. Compost is here to accompany you on your journey toward balance and a deeper love for sustainable gardening. We believe that every small action you take today can create a powerful green wave tomorrow. Thank you for listening and helping us share this inspiring message of renewal. That old cardboard box has completed its remarkable journey, returning to its roots to nurture the future. Start today with a simple cardboard box and the kitchen scraps already waiting in your home. Every box is a seed of life, and every effort you make is a gift to our planet. Compost, where green values are nurtured and preserved through life's simplest moments. We'll see you again in another peaceful green balcony garden where we continue learning to love the soil together. Wishing you wonderful and peaceful experiences on your journey of connecting with Mother Earth. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you again on the next green adventure with Compost. Peace and love to you.